Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to change text to speech voice on TikTok. So in order to do that, I'm going to just hit this plus icon right here and record a new video. Just a moment. So I'm just going to press and hold this button right here for a few seconds in order to record my video. Okay, after I did that, as you can see right here, I have this text icon which I can select and I can insert a random text right here like hello everybody or everyone. Okay, so after I did that, in order to switch to this text to speech, what I'm going to do is click on the text that I have wrote and select text to speech. So if I'm going to turn up my volume right now, so as you can see, this text was converted to speech, and you can actually hear that text. And if you want to change basically the voice of the person that tells the text, you can just change the language of your keyboard, and then the voice would be changed. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.